Hello everybody, I'm Jordan Weber and we're going to go over how I like to teach PE in the gym with all types of learners. So here we have locomotor freeze, and what I'll do is I'll stop the music, and when the music starts you get to go, and I'll choose a different locomotor skill. So it depends on the ability of the individual, depends on what they can and can't do. And we have kicking here. We do this for any individual. We have tossing, throwing and tossing into healthy nutrition bags. We do lots of fitness in the gym. Notice that we have leg lifts, wall squats. We have individuals using the battle ropes. We use the dumbbells. We do body weight exercises. We use the medicine balls. We try to give our individuals lots of different types of training resistant activities. Here we have a fun game called Sharks and Minnows, where we have sharks who try to catch the minnows as they travel or swim across the court. Here you see some more fitness activities, some more dynamic stretches here. Also can be used for more advanced learners, so high knees, kickbacks and stuff like that. These are some good dynamic stretches you can do before your lesson plan. Also, you'll notice that we do some arm circles. We try to move the entire body. We do it in different ways. So here we have jumping with a ball in between the legs. We have shots that get points, or if you miss it, you lose points. Same thing with the bounce passing. If you're with a partner, you get points per jump or pass, or how many times you dribble around the cone. So we always ask our learners to make sure that they're keeping track, because we want them to be able to write it down and tell the teacher exactly how many they did and how many points they were able to get. And so as they're holding planks, they're getting points for each second, and then they count these points up at the end of their lesson. And so the teacher should know exactly how many reps and points each student got, as long as they're writing them down after they complete each rep. Here you're going to see some dance, always letting the individuals choose to teach dance classes. Here we have a football obstacle course using lots of different things, such as scooters, mats, going in and around those mats, using cones, using those pieces of equipment for knocking over. Here we have some tennis racket catch with bean bags, a nice easy way to just get familiar with using a tennis racket and the grip strength involved in using tennis rackets. Here we have a cooperative activity with the Omnikin ball. You can do that with a big ball or a small ball. Gets everyone in the squat position, and it's also can be used as a bridge here, where you have people go through the bridge and kind of working together as a team to allow every individual to take part. At the end of our lessons, we like to do stretching and cool downs, where we talk about the lesson, what the students learned, and this is a good time for the students and the teachers to reflect. Now you're just going to see some extra activities, so some extra dynamic stretches, and these dynamic stretches you see here should be done before your workout or your lesson plan, to get them warmed up, get them moving in different ways. As you can see, we're doing lots of different movements here. Here we have clean out your arteries, where there's two teams, and one team, what they do is they try to put beanbags in the other team's arteries, and those beanbags represent fat. And so the more fat you get into your opponent's teams, the more that they will have clogged arteries. So this is a slow motion example of kind of like what the students do. They go around the cones, picking up or placing the beanbags into the hula hoop. And you'll see here that some individuals are waiting to go in, and while you're waiting, you can be doing like jumping jacks or jump rope. And you can see that everyone's pretty much running the entire time. So this is called clean out your arteries. It's a good time to talk about fat and the good fats, the bad fats, how to burn fat. And you do this at the end during your stretching. This is a good time to cool down. Thanks a lot, everybody.